Hey, 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 this is Pierre Vidolaco talking. Do you know this new app called Updates in Teams? Here it is. So if you don't have it, you just go to apps, you look for the app Updates. You see it's a Microsoft app and you can add it. Since I added, I can open it if I want to. And then you have this app that is very interesting. So this app allows you to create some sort of forms that you want to submit on a regular basis or just one time, but you can design your own tab. So you can really create um, your own updates. I need to call it update, or you can create, from existing templates. Here are the templates that you could use. And the process is to create a new template. You go in the create template and you create a new template and you can decide, if you're going to use an already existing template. Or for example, if you need to gather information every day, you can use a daily update if it's every week. And there's a template, so I can show you a template, what it looks like here. It's simple, key update, summary, plans for next week. So it's either text or a choice or a date. There's only three choices. And you can create your own template from scratch. So you can create your template here from scratch, give it a name, um, you know, whatever it is. Then the next step is to design it. So you can choose your question, the answers. You can add several questions, different type, etc., etc. And you have your form here. And then the last step is to do a workflow. So you can say the submitters are, you know, people need to give you some feedback, and you select the name. So that's going to be individual. So you can select an individual. You can see you are the viewer. You can say if, it's a one time, it's every week, every month, what is the due date, the deadline, etc. So pretty easy to create a template. So I already did some template. Um, Actually, there's another way to do it. So either you in the team or you in your chat, and you can do that. So you can see here, I created this template in my team. I'm going to show you in a demo team maybe. Um, I don't want to pollute my coworkers even more. So I did it in my demo team. So you can't really, the way you do it is when you start a new conversation, here you go into the three little dots and you choose updates. And then you say, I'm writing an update or I request an update. So when you request an update, that's pretty cool. So let's say I'm going to request a project progress update. This is the template. I say, okay, it's fine with me. I pick this template. Next. And I want to publish it to be every week. I want an answer on Friday for noon. I publish it. So then it posts that in the team. So I will receive a notification because I'm part of the team. And you see all the people here, it's just me with different address, different account, but all the people will receive a notification and they will be able to fill out they receive a notification like that saying, okay, write your update. So I'm going to write my update for this one. I'm going to do that quickly. And so since I initiate the template, the updates, I can see that Pierre-Yves sent you an update to view. So now I can point to the theme and review it, and I see, what has been submitted in a few seconds. So you can do that in a team. You can do that in a chat. You can do that um, from the updates app and notify a person or several people. And you can then what's interesting is when you go back to the updates, you have a central place to monitor all the updates. So the one you submitted first. So here are the one I submitted. So you can see some details, the name, who, the viewers, and when I submit it, and if I'm the sender of the updates, I have a global view, and I can see, same thing, a centralized view of all the templates all the updates I share anywhere I shared it, and I can see the progress. So let's say which one, this one. I can see my answer here, and I think I can view the entire series. So I can see centralized by date, and I can see 9% of the people answer to these updates. So you have a centralized view of your different updates. It's hard to say because it's not logical. All your the feedback that you collect on different in different teams, different individuals, you have a centralized view of what's going on when you collect information. That's pretty cool application, and it's really interesting to be able to post that in a team. That's why I did. So when you post in a teams, all the member of the team is going to be notified. I'm not sure what happens if you add somebody in the team after the fact. I'm not sure it keeps the people updated in the updates, but just wanted to give you a quick try on this new updates app that seems very useful and that open for a lot of use cases. I think mainly when sometimes you ask your team to send you an update by email. Here it's really simple. You centralize it and team, for example, and then you can see the result consolidated here in one central place, which is called updates. Hope this was helpful.